Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can invite friends in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the middle, you're gonna find Live Pass, Live Today, Leaks, Limited Time Events, Showdown, and lastly campaigns. And in the bottom, you're going to find some other sections like my team, auctions, achievements, objectives, and lastly sets. Basically, guys, there's not you're not gonna find any option that you can invite friends with. But the only way to have friends on NBA Live Mobile is by linking your Facebook accounts to NBA Live Mobile account. So we're gonna go to settings, and then once you click on settings, right here you're gonna find preferences, link accounts, gameplay tutorials, help manual, help, legal, languages, start screen, change team, user feedback, and lastly credits. Go ahead and click on link account, and then once you click on link account, you're gonna find your Google Play Games account, your device, your Facebook accounts, and lastly, privacy and cookie policy. So go ahead and click on link Facebook account, and then they will ask you to log into your account. Once you log in, you're going to be linking your Facebook account to your NBA Live Mobile, and then automatically you will add all of your Facebook friends that are playing NBA Live Mobile to your account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.